From the Sri Jagannath Temple and vibrant night market to blue sea and beautiful beaches, Puri has everything to offer for a perfect family vacation. And in this episode, we shall explore Puri in our own way.
Hey friends, it's a very beautiful sunny morning and I am going out. This is our Hotel Siddharth International, and the beach is supposed to be 5 minutes walk from here.
The coastline of Puri is quite long and there are a number of beaches, while the Swargadwar is the most popular one. This southern tip of the coastline is known as Lighthouse Beach for its proximity to Puri Lighthouse.
Beautiful. I visited many beaches, but such kind of strong tides I have seen very rarely. I see a lot of people taking bath in the sea.
All the beaches have their own vibe, and for Puri, it is definitely family, friends, and fun.
आपका नाम क्या है भाई?
मोहन कुमार तिवारी।
मोहन कुमार। और क्या करते हो आप यहाँ पे?
लाइफ गार्ड करता हूँ पूरी
अच्छा।
सी बीच पे।
अच्छा। और कितना चार्जेस है आपका?
हम लोग का छतरी का चेयर का एक सेट हो जाता है हम लोग का 100 रुपया।
अच्छा।
टेंट का वो वाला टेंट है,
अच्छा।
टेंट का हो जाता है 200 रुपया। और पानी में जो ट्यूब में नहाएंगे, ट्यूब
हाँ।
में हम लेके जाते हैं राइड करने।
अच्छा।
इसका 100 मीटर देख करके 100 रुपये से स्टार्टिंग है। उसके बाद
जितना
ज़्यादा चार्जेस। और जो डूब जाएगा वो हम लाइफ सेविंग करते हैं, रिस्क कर लेते हैं।
और इसके लिए आपको सब ट्रेनिंग वगैरह मिला है?
ट्रेनिंग वगैरह मिला है।
Thank you, Mohan. So Mohan is a lifeguard over here, and they are locally known as Nulia. They help you to take bath in the sea because the tide is very strong over here. They also, try to rescue if there is any accident. So if you are coming to Puri and if you want to take a dip in the water, I would strongly recommend take a help from a Nulia like Mohan.
And if you are not interested to go into water, just rent a seat and chill.
I rented this umbrella for 100 rupees, enjoyed the nature and took the drone shots. I hope you have enjoyed those.
The beautiful Marine Drive road runs along the coastline. I decided to hire an auto rickshaw and have a ride on it. This stretch is quite clean and beautiful. I would recommend instead of staying near Swargadwar, you may consider staying here, as there are a lot of hotels just next to the Marine Drive having direct sea view. It was very hot and humid that day, so decided to go back to hotel, take some rest before going out in the evening.
So it is 6:30 right now, and we have come to visit and pay respect to Sri Jagannath Temple. So we came to the Paschim Dwar, and it seems that this gate or this Dwar is reserved only for the locals, and we need to go to the Singha Dwar.
The Sri Jagannath Temple is one of the most sacred places for Hindus. As per record, King Anantavarman of Eastern Ganga dynasty built this temple in 12th century. But as per other beliefs, some form of temple did existed here and King Anantavarman just did renovation.
So this is the main entrance or Shingodwar, and you can keep your belongings here, your camera, your mobile, your shoes, everything, and then you can enter the temple from that side.
As you try to enter the temple, many agents may approach to get you quicker darshan or Mahaprasad. Just ignore them because everything is quite organized.
So if you see counter number 4 is only for baggages. Don't keep your mobiles, camera or other electronic and valuable stuff here. For that there is a separate counter over there. So you get this bag, and put your mobile, camera and everything inside it and you can deposit over there. So we just came out of Sri Jagannath Temple and the experience was mind-blowing. The architecture, the ambience, everything was so good. Like it is bound to give you a spiritual high. And we could complete our darshan in just 40 minutes. On an usual busy day, it may take up to 3 to 4 hours. But since either we are lucky or this is being a perfect timing for being a Sunday evening. We just hired an e-rickshaw and now we are going towards Swargadwar, which has the most happening evening scene of Puri. We plan to do a lot of shopping, eat some street food and enjoy whatever time we have left in Puri. I think she wants to shop till she drops.
No time.
As the name suggests, many believe Swargadwar is the gateway to heaven, and traditional Hindu way of cremation still happens here. The Swargadwar beach has very vibrant night scene. Tourists flock here to enjoy their time with family and friends. Especially if you are fond of seafood, street food and want to do a lot of shopping, then this is definitely your place.
After how many years you are having jhalmuri?
After 35 years, I'm having jhalmuri on the same place here.
Now, other than that, extra spice. Cooler wali chai after jhalmuri, it's like made for each other combination. This is famous chana poda of Odisha, made from chana or cottage cheese. And I believe it is baked slowly. I just love chana poda and order plenty of times in Bangalore.
You're just another picture apart.
You may get some good souvenirs of Puri from the beach market itself. And yes, don't hesitate to bargain. So friends, that's all we have today. If you have enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a like, share with your friends and post it on your Facebook wall. If you want to be part of our future travel stories, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. We are going to meet very soon. Until then, stay safe and stay happy.